G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I thought I would take you through the process of how to find a glitter mine in VVS Finance when you're using the Crypto.com DeFi wallet app on your phone, where that glitter mine has ended so that you can withdraw your stake in it. So that was kind of a complex intro there, I guess, but when a glitter mine ends in VVS Finance, it's no longer shown in that main list of mines. So if you've got a stake in there, you need to find it to be able to withdraw it from the smart contract. So how do you do that? Well, in this video, we'll find out. But first, I just got to say this is not financial advice at all. You should do all of your own research and make sure you don't invest anything that you can't afford to lose. Now, with that out of the way, jump into the Crypto.com DeFi wallet app with me, and I'll take you through it. So from the Crypto.com DeFi wallet app dashboard, click the browser button, which is that one down the bottom in the middle. And from here, you want to go into VVS Finance. Now, from the VVS Finance DApp dashboard, we want to go to the Earn screen. So we'll click that Earn button, that's down bottom towards the left, and then click on Mines. So we want to find a glitter mine that has ended, okay? So I actually do have a stake in an ended glitter mine at the moment, so this is really handy. You might see there towards the middle of the screen when you open this up, you've got a few filters and tabs. So we've got our staked only toggle, which is really handy as well to help you find this. And then we've got just below that, the live and the finished toggle. So live is everything that's currently active and earning a reward on VVS Finance within the glitter mine platform. So we're looking for one that's finished. It's no longer in this list, right? So there's only 3 active glitter mines in here right now, and I'm looking for one that's ended. So we'll click that finished toggle to switch over to showing the glitter mines that have finished. And we can now see here, all of these ones have this little finished banner across the top right. Now, you probably saw that right at the start there. The one that I had some tokens staked in is the very first one that's finished, so that's easy. But let's say you're looking for one that ended a while ago that you forgot was there or whatever. If you click that staked only toggle, that will only show the glitter mines that you actually have something staked in as well. So now you're only showing finished mines that you have something staked in. So that makes it really, really easy to find them. If you scroll down, you can see there, I've only got that one there that's finished that has something in it. Now, you have all the same options you normally do, except to deposit more because it's finished. Why would you want to do that? So you can harvest, or you can hit that minus button to withdraw what you've got staked. Now, if you withdraw, it will automatically harvest anyway, so there is no need to do both as a separate action. So just click that minus button, select what you want to withdraw. It's finished, so presumably you want to withdraw the maximum, 100%, right? And then click that confirm button. Now it will prompt you to confirm you're happy to pay the network fee. And this fee is paid in CRO, so you need to have CRO in your wallet in order to pay this. You'll press confirm to go proceed with this smart contract interaction, and it will go ahead and process that for you. Now, usually it takes anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes unless the network is heavily congested, and there you go, within just half a minute or so, it has finished harvesting and withdrawing those XVVS tokens and the minted that was there as a return. We can see I've now got nothing left there in my finished glitter mines. Next time you come into here, it should revert back to the live ones. But of course, you can always click that live toggle to switch back to showing the live ones, and it'll pull them up for you there. And turning the staked only one off, of course, will ensure you see the ones that you don't currently have anything staked in. So that's it. That's how you find a glitter mine that you've got some tokens staked in on the VVS Finance platform and withdraw them. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, make sure you give it the thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. And let me know down in the comments if there's something you had trouble with, or if there is something else particularly related to Cronos or Crypto.com that you're interested in me doing some more videos on. And it just might happen, we'll see. Make sure you have an awesome day, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.